¿Estás grabando? It's filming now. Okay, nice. That was the job that we recently did. This here. I know it's not the beautiful last work that you see in your life, but you know it's good. It's strong, I think. Something about this hole here, but we are gonna. I think we are gonna take in this way now, fixing all this way. First of all, what we are doing here is sealing completely a hot water tank. Make it completely sealed because we are gonna use it for an air compressor. So yeah, with a refrigerator motor and other stuff. But the thing here is what we are doing now. So we are gonna do this thing here, and so we are gonna try to work with that hole there, and maybe brush a little bit here and see how is it below the scan, yeah, below the fucking scan. Woohoo! Let's work. It's alright. Never took drugs out, so it's alright. For anything else, we are using the properly appropriate engagement. What I say? The appropriate gadgets for this job. You know, accessories and that kind of stuff. You know, safety things. Don't die. Don't hurt yourself. Do it well. Do it with God in you. Bless on you, man and woman and whoever in this world. Let's go. Good. That was a good one. It's a strong one. So let's get it cut a little bit. I think it's colder now. So see, I think it's so nice. We're gonna brush it a little bit. I think we got something to do with that, but maybe later on. Bueno, Tato, vas a hacer buen parcial, que le vaya bien, que tengas suerte y vamos arriba. Eso, a vencer a Bowser, como siempre. Sí, siempre. Vamos arriba. De lo mejor así. Okay, I think here is quite nice, so it's good. Let's see. Dale, Tatín, dale. Oh fuck. Let's oh fuck. Let's lo que puedas, llévate solo una. Lo que puedas. ¿Eh? No, se va moviendo, pero bueno.
La cámara.
La cámara, bueno, sí. Para que quede bien cuadrado, sí. Tú sabes, I'm Crazy Mike, and this fucking channel where we are crazy things like enchanting things and something like that with my two little brothers here in our town. This is let's go with this. Fuck. Se puede cortar, ¿no?
Sí, se corta, tenés 256 GB.
Claro, es una buena.
Ahora tenés espacio para atrás.
Encima es una buena cámara. El tema es de ubication, ¿qué onda? ¿Cómo estamos? Dice. Sí, internacionales. Internacionales. Claro. Indias. In Punjabi, man. I'm from Punjab. Have a good test, brother. Good night. See you later. ¿Eh? Son rayos ultravioletas, no sé qué onda. No sé si no rompes el lente, no sé. Yo creo que no.
No creo, le debe tirarse,
Claro. Mira, hijo de puta. Todo genial. Y se me fue la mano, pibe, ¿viste?
¿Qué vamos a hacer, loco? A veces pasa.
No, ya nada, ya lo estoy recuperando y encima van a ver cómo se recupera. Esto es trabajo de... Esto que van a ver ahora, ¿vieron lo que hice, no? Se hizo un agujero ahí, le puse un triangulito acá. Se puede ver claramente, es un triangulito de metal. Pones ahí.
¿Cómo grabaste en español, en inglés, en todos los idiomas?
Porque eso es más un pique de español, ¿viste? Más
Para los dos canales.
Exacto. Se puede traducir igual.
Sí, obvio.
Okay, for the English people, we are gonna fill that hole with this little piece of metal that we took from the floor. This guy, we're making a condition. You know? It's like no more hole. And I think there is another place that we have to take now, which is in this direction. Yes, I think. Here, in that hole. Can you see it, guys? It's really visible, so I think you can see it. Of course you can see it. But, you know, same as before, what we're gonna do is just fill the gap and make it or just totally seal the tank for the, you know, for the altitude. Let's go. Same thing as before, we got a hole that we have to fill. So, taking a little piece of metal, filling the gap, using the piece of metal as a, filler. So, very simple, logically, It's alright, it's alright. It's not red, so hot, fuck you. It's alright. That's it. Fuck you, my head is hot, but yeah, that's what I want. Oh man. Muy verga.
¿Cómo va eso?
Bueno, ahí va, Nanín, inventando, ¿qué va a hacer?
Sí, bien.
¿Sabes lo que pasa? El material de los tanques es una porquería. Claro, tenés que tener algo bueno para soldarle porque si no... El material del tanque mismo es una choronga. Hablando seriamente. Pero con un fierrito fuerte de repente págate. Oxidados. Agora sim. Bueno, yo qué sé. Y yo creo que un poco, si nos acercamos, está resarpado cubrir esa parte porque... Esa parte, que no tenemos forma. Sacamos esto.